Calm, everyone, calm. हेलो विभा, हाय, कैसे हो? हेलो, who's there? Why Tanu can't join? I don't know how to send you. I have already sent you a request. Take me in. I am trying to take you in. Are you there?
Wow, Suruchi, now I can't see you. Where are you? Hello,
Can you
I
see
can only
me?
see plastics.
Yes.
Now I can see you. Are you
Why
are you
you can
conveying some
only see the
message?
plus? Yes. Because
Yes,
everywhere
tell
we
me.
can only
Tell
find
us.
the plastic. Nothing else.
Exactly.
Plastic,
Exactly.
plastic,
So
plastic,
true.
plastic, plastic. Everywhere we can see the plastic only. और कुछ नहीं.
So true. That is
So
so true.
Praveen Ahuja is here.
Hello,
Hi
Praveen
everyone.
Jiju.
So आज हम बात करने
Hello.
वाले हैं किसके बारे में? प्लास्टिक के बारे में.
Exactly. Exactly. And wow,
Plastic is like
the topic.
let's just send the invite to our guest today.
Yes, it's a very interesting topic. Very useful. Please kindly share your views and please. Yay!
Hi!
Hello,
Hi,
ma'am.
ma'am!
Hello.
How are
Welcome.
you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too,
We both
and
are
she is
good.
absolutely. Yes.
Yeah.
So, yeah, so let
So
me
so
just,
good to see you.
yes, so good to see you. Thank you for, joining us. And let's welcome Miss Amita, founder of Recharkha Eco-Social Tribe. Yes, ma'am. A woman who made us
Yay.
so proud, a woman who truly believes
True.
in herself and truly believes in changes, and that's why she
True.
made it possible also. Right, ma'am?
Yes,
वैसे
absolutely.
मुझ yes, yes, that's completely
Suggestion.
true. That's completely true. And you know what? मुश्किलें तो आपको भी आई होंगी, आई एम श्योर. वो हम आपसे आज जानेंगे कि क्या क्या आपके हर्डल्स थे और प्लास्टिक को लेके आपके क्या क्या थॉट्स थे माइंड में जिनको आपने चेंज करने की कोशिश की. बट बिफोर दैट लेट मी जस्ट क्विक गिव यू अ फैक्ट about the plastic. How many plastic we generate every year. We produce 380 million tons of plastic every year, and 50% of that 50% of that only we use for just a moment, just utilize
Yeah.
for a moment, and we just throw it away. What is this? I mean, this is so sad to know. Even, and top of that,
True.
let me just tell you, 10 million tons of plastic we just dump in our ocean.
My
इमेजिन. आई मीन
Wow.
2050
I
तक
mean,
तो इट स्टडी सेज
how sad.
2050 तक तो सिर्फ प्लास्टिक ही हमें देखने को मिलेगी हमारे ओशन में. फिशेज, मरीन एनिमल्स, कुछ भी नहीं. मतलब अपने बीचेस का हाल देखिए आप कैसे गोवा जाके एंजॉय करेंगे. आई डोंट नो. यस मैम.
very true. Like
दैट्स दैट्स ट्रू.
that's the situation. मतलब
यस
अभी
अनु.
भी बहुत सारे बीचेस है जहाँ पे ये सीन ऑलरेडी दिखता है. गोवा के
ट्रू.
बीचेस तो भी क्लीन है, बट इन मेनी बीचेस एटलीस्ट इवन इन मुंबई इट हैज बीन वेरी बैड.
True.
वेरी बैड
This is
सिचुएशन
so
इज
true
देयर.
that Mumbai has that black water, you know. If you go to Mumbai, it has black water. You can see plastics everywhere. Environment is hampering so much by this usage of plastics, and we are the one to blame for this.
यस.
But 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 there are some people who are like angel on earth, like Amita ma'am, who has taken this initiative seriously to bring a change to help our environment, and they're indirectly helping us also. Thank you so much, Amita ma'am.
It's my
तो मैं
pleasure.
अमिता मैम के बारे में कुछ बता दूं दैट शी इज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, जैसे कि सुरुचि ने बता ही दिया आपको. ऑल्सो शी हैज गिवन एम्प्लॉयमेंट टू द ट्राइबल वुमेन, विच इज आई मीन सो इम्प्रेसिंग, सो इम्प्रेसिंग. हाँ, आपने एक ट्राइबल एरिया के बारे में सोचा, उनको एम्प्लॉयमेंट दी. इट इज सो इनक्रेडिबल. एंड लेट मी टेल यू कि प्लास्टिक जो हम लोग वेस्ट करते हैं, उससे अमिता मैम, she makes such beautiful and useful products. I couldn't believe they are upcycled, and there are varieties. You can see, you can
You
see the
can see
handbag,
that.
the yoga bag, the tissue paper holder, and my favorite is cutlery. The cutlery
Oh
set,
yes.
the whole cutlery set. It is. I'm gonna buy. We both gonna buy that, Suruchi, है ना?
Yes,
It
I'm
is
going to
so
visit it.
pretty.
By the way, I'm so lucky. I can visit the store. I'm so lucky. You are not. You just have to come to Pune first. Then you can go.
I am coming. I am coming now just to grab that cutlery set. It's so beautiful. And she is not only doing it by herself, she is teaching all the other women also. So let's have a conversation with our very own favorite Amita ma'am. So ma'am, सबसे
Yes.
पहले मेरा question ये है, tell me about something about this name Reach Charkha. How did you define? How does it do the justice to your motive?
Sure, sure. So re charkha has two words within it, right? There's re, which is actually for reviving, recycling, repurposing. That is what re is
Yeah,
for.
yeah.
Charkha has actually three things, three meanings, okay? One is the
Okay.
charkha itself. So which is apna
Okay.
जो गांधी जी का चरखा,
Yes,
what
yes,
that
yes.
mostly reminds
Yes,
us,
yes,
and that
yes.
is one of our equipments which we use to make these products. क्योंकि हम प्लास्टिक अपसाइकल करने के लिए चरखा का यूज करते हैं. ओके, सो
Really?
Wow.
yeah, so we are
Wow.
reviving
See,
the
I
चरखा.
told you.
हम चरखा को
Yes,
वापस,
I'm wrong here. I'm wrong here. Yes, ma'am. Please
Yes,
continue.
ma'am.
so we are trying to
Yes,
revive
we
the
were.
चरखा to solve today's problems, because चरखा जिस टाइम में था, पुराने टाइम में, जब अपना फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल के टाइम में उसको बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस देने की कोशिश की थी, because
बिल्कुल.
that's what was reviving our economy at that time. So we are trying to do the
Yes.
same today, but with an aim to create a plastic free planet. Okay, so इसीलिए उसका चरखा एक है. The second important meaning of charkha is the circular loop. We are trying to close the loop. तो सर्कुलर
The
इकोनॉमी जिसे
cycle.
बोलते हैं, कि हम जो भी
Okay.
चीज तैयार होती है उसके एंड के बारे में भी सोचे. तो वो जो है वो भी
Yeah.
चरखा
Yes.
एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट है. एंड चरखा इन जनरल, in Parsi it means a cycle, like a cycle. Okay,
Yes.
so
Yeah.
recycle. So that is the third
Recycle.
Recycle.
meaning of recharkha. Yes.
Very
Wow.
thoughtful. Very
Actually, ma'am,
thoughtful.
yeah, we were having this conversation, like Suruchi ma'am is using charkha. I think that is why the name is Recharkha. Suruchi was, I don't know. Let's just confirm it with ma'am also. What is the meaning? So this had a quick question.
Sure,
Okay,
sure,
ma'am.
sure.
Yes.
Charkha, very, very thoughtful and very meaningful motive behind it, this name. So, मैम, आपको कब ये आइडिया आया कि आपको अपसाइकलिंग करनी है प्लास्टिक प्रोडक्ट्स की, और आपने इतने यूजफुल, इतने ब्यूटीफुल प्रोडक्ट्स बनाए उसके? व्हाट वाज द वेरी फर्स्ट मोमेंट व्हेन यू थॉट ऑफ इट, द जनरेशन ऑफ आइडिया?
Yeah. So see, the actual generation of idea was कि प्लास्टिक इस दुनिया से कैसे हटाना है. ओके, मतलब डिस्पोजेबल प्लास्टिक हम ये दुनिया से या अपने लाइफ से कैसे हटाए, ये सबसे पहले इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट दिमाग में आया. बट ये भी इम्पोर्टेंट है कि इसको हटाना ये लोगों से शुरू होगा, रिसाइकलर्स से नहीं. मतलब हम जितने भी रिसाइकलर्स,
बिल्कुल.
तो आपने जो नंबर्स पहले बताए थे कि इफ दैट मच ऑफ प्लास्टिक इज क्रिएटेड, there is no recycler on this world who can actually recycle all of this plastic waste. So we are trying to keep the purpose कि लोगों को अपना प्लास्टिक यूज करने से हम कैसे रोके. ओके, डिस्पोजेबल प्लास्टिक यूज करने से कैसे रोके, ये हमारा सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्ट था जब ये हमने काम स्टार्ट किया था. बट वो काम चलाने के लिए भी कहीं से फंड्स लगेंगे, तो क्यों ना हम ही
बिल्कुल।
रिसाइकलिंग में घुसे, और फिर रिसाइकलिंग, टिपिकल रिसाइकलिंग ना करते हुए व्हाई डोंट वी अपसाइकल इट, वी मेक समथिंग बेटर फ्रॉम द प्लास्टिक वेस्ट, ओके, एंड दिस इज ऑल दिस वेस्ट, यू नो, ये जो अपने रैपर्स है जो
Yeah.
हम यूजुअली वी ईट, यू नो, ऑल दीज प्लास्टिक बैग्स, सो दैट इज व्हाट वी आर
Yes.
एक्चुअली ट्राइंग टू अपसाइकल, दीज गिफ्ट रैपर्स। तो ये हम
True.
सबसे डिफिकल्ट प्लास्टिक जो है, जो यूजुअली रिसाइकल नहीं होता, हम इसको ही क्यों ना फोकस बनाए अपना, और फिर उसको हम कैसे अपसाइकल करें, और अपसाइकलिंग ही प्रोसेस में हम एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी कैसे जनरेट करें। तो ये पूरा जो एक आइडिया था दिमाग में, तो ये इसके लिए हमने काफी सारा रिसर्च किया, एंड देन वी फाउंड आउट दैट देयर इज अ वे टू वीव प्लास्टिक वेस्ट टुगेदर। और वो कुछ कई छोटे बड़े एनजीओज ये काम कर रहे थे, बट दे वर डूइंग इट एज अ
Mhm.
क्राफ्ट। हमने फिर यू नो वी अडॉप्टेड दैट, वी ब्रॉट इट टू अ डिफरेंट लेवल, डिफरेंट स्टेज, विद अ डिफरेंट
Yes.
मीनिंग। तो ये सब हमने
बिल्कुल।
अबाउट 5 years बैक हमने ये सारा काम स्टार्ट किया।
What a beautiful journey, ma'am.
Wow, wow,
5 years.
man. Wow. Seriously. I
अच्छा,
mean, the products are so beautiful.
ब्यूटीफुल,
सो
वेरी।
मच, थैंक यू।
तो मैम, अच्छा ये बताइए, ठीक है, यहाँ से तो आइडिया जनरेशन आपको आया, थॉट आया, बट इसके लिए जब हम इस फील्ड में जाते हैं, एनवायरमेंट से रिलेटेड कुछ भी रिसाइकलिंग या अपसाइकल, यू रियली नीड लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज, बिकॉज यू कांट जस्ट स्टार्ट बाय योर ओन, और बहुत कुछ लगता है, राइट? बट आई हैव अ इंफॉर्मेशन दैट यू आर फ्रॉम IT बैकग्राउंड, you have done IT engineering and you did a job in US. So ये बताइए, ये कैसे शुरू हुआ? I mean, आपने, मुझे लगा था कोई environmental science study किया होगा, that's why you have lot of knowledge related to
True.
that. That's why you have the idea how to the things are working. तो ये बताइए, आप यूएस में थे, आप तभी आपने सोच लिया था कि ऐसा कुछ करना है, या कैसे? I mean, please explain your career, your job, your studies, everything. और ये मुझे लगता है आज हमारे चैनल पे, हमारे अकाउंट पे सबको पता चलने वाला लाइव कि मैम इज फ्रॉम IT बैकग्राउंड। एवरीबडी हैज अ थॉट, लाइक मेरे को पहले यही फर्स्ट ये था ग्लिम्स कि नहीं, मैम को पक्का कुछ, या तो मे बी शी इज अ साइंस स्टूडेंट,
मुझे
फॉर
भी।
श्योर, फॉर श्योर। ये कैसे किया आपने?
सो IT बैकग्राउंड तो वो हो गया था, एज इन लोगों को हमेशा बचपन में ऐसे ही लगता है ना, दैट कोई सिक्योर करियर होना चाहिए, तो दैट्स व्हाई IT हुआ।
बिल्कुल।
सो आई वाज नेवर इंटरेस्टेड इन गेटिंग एंड बिकमिंग अ डेवलपर, क्योंकि साइड बाय साइड मेरा जो पैशन है एनवायरनमेंट के रिलेटेड, सो काफी सारे ट्रेक्स करती थी मैं तभी भी, एंड काफी सारे नॉन प्रॉफिट एक्टिविटीज में, एनवायरनमेंट कंजर्वेशन, रिवर क्लीन अप मूवमेंट्स में हमेशा मैं पार्ट लेती थी पहले से ही। बट प्लास्टिक्स के बारे में कोई ऐसे फॉर्मल एजुकेशन नहीं था, बट पता था कि ये प्लास्टिक है जो रिसाइकल नहीं होता, ये होता है, ये सब थोड़े थोड़े आइडियाज थे दिमाग में, एंड उसके बारे में पढ़ना वगैरह चालू ही था, वीडियोस देखना एंड ऑल दैट वाज ऑलवेज गोइंग ऑन इन द साइड। एंड आई ऑलवेज वाज आल्सो वेरी पैशनेट अबाउट सोशल वर्क, के जो विलेजर्स है, मतलब मैं खुद दादरा नगर हवेली से हूँ, तो वहाँ के जो ट्राइबल्स है उनको एम्प्लॉयमेंट के लिए कहाँ कहाँ जाना पड़ता है, कैसे कैसे सिचुएशन में उनको रहना पड़ता है, तो ये जो पता चलता है हमको खुद, तो अपनी खुद की आंखें खुल जाती है। एंड देन उसके बाद मुझे कभी हमेशा ऐसे ही लगता था कि मैं यही क्यों नहीं कर रही फुल टाइम, तो इसीलिए मैंने मेरा IT का जॉब छोड़ा, मैं US में गई पढ़ने के लिए, फ्रॉम अ सस्टेनेबल बिजनेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, मतलब मैंने वहाँ पे बिजनेस का स्टडीज के लिए, मास्टर्स करने के लिए मैं US गई। वहाँ पे मैंने बिजनेस के साथ सस्टेनेबिलिटी कैसे हम जोड़ सकते हैं उसके बारे में ट्रेनिंग ली, बट इट वाज मोर ऑफ अ स्टडी, ऐसी कोई ट्रेनिंग नहीं था। इट वाज अ जनरल बिजनेस डिग्री दैट आई टुक, बट आई टुक इलेक्टिव्स
Yes.
इन सस्टेनेबिलिटी व्हिच वाज माय पर्सनल चॉइस। तो उधर
Okay.
वो मुझे
Okay.
सीखने को मिला। फिर वहां पे मैंने कुछ साल काम किया कुछ मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज के साथ, इन देयर CSR टीम्स, इन देयर सस्टेनेबिलिटी टीम्स। तो उससे ये भी पता चला कि हम खुद तो चेंज कर ही सकते हैं अपनी लाइफस्टाइल, बट अगर कॉर्पोरेट्स ने अपनी तरीके बदले तो उसका इम्पैक्ट
हाँ,
बहुत
ट्रू।
ज्यादा हो। So that is where I really wanted to start working with the biggies, with the big corporates, and that's how I ended up in this field. And फिर धीरे धीरे इंडिया में वापस आना तो था ही प्लान में, तो वापस
हाँ
आके क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, ग्रास रूट पे कैसे काम कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि उधर ही काम करना था, कोई बड़े कॉर्पोरेट में काम करना ही नहीं था। तो देन धीरे धीरे करके these ideas started coming up. So I just started it, as in there was no like aha
to
moment कि
enjoy
नहीं
यानी
करना
हाँ
चाहिए, वो धीरे धीरे it just started happening and it just came to where it
हाँ
is right now.
right and you proved it like entrepreneurship is not a tough and
Yeah,
also environment के लिए initiate लेना भी इतना मुश्किल नहीं है, अगर आप चाहें तो आप कर सकते हैं।
करेक्ट, करना चाहिए, सबने करना चाहिए, अपने अपने लेवल पे करना चाहिए। और अगर आप कुछ बड़ा करने जा रहे हो तो फिर सोच समझ के कीजिए, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं हो जाएगी कुछ बहुत बहुत बड़ा स्टार्ट कर लिया बट उससे इम्पैक्ट ज्यादा बुरा हो गया एनवायरनमेंट पे। तो ऐसे भी बहुत सारे केसेस हुए हैं। तो वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, कोई भी ये बिजनेस में अगर जाए या ये इनिशिएटिव में
हाँ ट्रू
जाए तो पूरा स्टडी करके जाए। एंड अभी इंटरनेट पे एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल एंड कॉमन सेंस, these are the two things you require. But whatever you do it consciously. That is what I would love
be
to say.
be careful right
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
yes
There is a appreciation from Preeti. I think she's saying something. Plastic is necessarily evil, willing or unwillingly. We are a part of plastic pollution. So the idea for upcycling seems sustainable and practical. And she is clapping also. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
so much,
wow
Preeti.
there's a comment also Shubha we will take all of your questions but in the
Yeah.
followers question segment uh, so please keep
Which is
holding
at the
your
end.
questions yes
Yeah. Please stay with us and we will take all your queries at the end of the session. Okay? So just stay with us. So मैम आप बताइए कि ये जब आप यूएस से इंडिया शिफ्ट हुए एंड आपके दिमाग में ये आइडिया आया that you are going to start this business which is on a big level, how was your family's reaction towards it? How much supportive they were with your motive?
So obviously यूएस से वापस आएगी और यहाँ क्या करेगी, और यहाँ पे आने के बाद एक
हाँ
सोशल एंटरप्राइज चालू कर रही है, तो सबको दिमाग में क्वेश्चन मार्क ही था। Nobody knew what I'm up to, nobody knew what I'm going to get into.
Exactly, exactly.
क्योंकि it's such a
Yeah.
new field, तो ऑफ कोर्स बहुत सारे सवाल थे, बट सपोर्ट भी बहुत था कि बिलीफ था कि कुछ डेफिनेटली व्हाटएवर शी डज शी विल डू इट वेल। वो एक दिमाग में सबके था।
Wow.
सो own parents, my in-laws, my husband, friends and all family were supportive totally। मतलब सबसे पहले कस्टमर्स अगर मैं बोलूं तो सारे पर्सनल नेटवर्क ही सबसे पहले कस्टमर्स थे, एंड उनकी वजह से ये काम हम शुरू कर पाए। अदरवाइज अगर मोटिवेशन नहीं मिलता अपने क्लोज वंस से
True, ma'am.
तो मुश्किल होता है। तो एवरीबडी,
It,
आई थिंक ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स, रिलेटिव्स, एवरीवन वर आवर फर्स्ट कस्टमर्स।
wow
wow, that's great,
there is
ma'am. I mean, you are starting up a business and your close ones are supporting you. It's a big motivation, I think so.
Yes, that is very true.
big so there is a comment also from hello it's Sandy girl since the
Come on.
day
Yeah.
you I saw your product made of plastic I am into love with the art wow
Oh, that is
तो मैम आपको
also
आपने बताया
start
कि
hating plastic after that. I'm telling
yes
him, or person who's like, start hating plastic waste first of all, and then you can love our
yes
products, but first hate plastic, because I want you to
that's
first
correct
refuse and reduce your creation of waste। सबसे important है, फिर recycling और upcycling बाद में आएगा।
हाँ ऐसे नहीं करना है मैम ये मेरे
True.
प्लास्टिक बैग्स है
True.
प्लीज गिव मी a bag out of this because I have already generated the
You
raw
have to
material
collect
for you
lots of them.
जितना
I would
जितना
suggest
necessary हो
that is
उतना
so true.
okay
So,
there is a difference
keep
you will get a
collecting,
bag
keep
but please don't
collecting
generate
them.
yes keep
Sorry.
collecting yes
Keep
अच्छा मैम अभी
collecting
आपने
them
hurdles
and
के
send
बारे
it
में
to Amita ma'am, and the product is going to be very beautiful.
yes
Nice.
ओके सो मैम आपने हर्डल्स के बारे में बताया ऑब्वियसली बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन मार्क्स थे फैमिली की तरफ से भी आपने भी सोचा होगा ओ माय गॉड ये क्या होने वाला है मेरे साथ और मैं कैसे इसको करूंगी। मैम तो फिर हर्डल्स आए होंगे स्टार्टिंग में, आपको बहुत इनिशियल हर्डल्स रहे होंगे, कैसे ओवरकम किया इसको, कैसे आपको मोटिवेशन कहाँ से मिलता था?
यही सब लोगों से मोटिवेशन मिलता था, टीम से बहुत मोटिवेशन मिलता है अभी भी, क्योंकि कभी कभी सुबह उठ के ऐसे लगता है कि आर वी इन द राइट डायरेक्शन, बट देन व्हेन यू सी योर टीम इज ऑलरेडी अप एंड रनिंग, यू गेट दैट मोटिवेशन। सो आई रियली गिव अ लॉट ऑफ क्रेडिट टू माय टीम। एंड ये जो ट्राइबल्स है जिनके लिए हम काम कर रहे हैं, तो अच्छा लगता है कि हम उनका भी ये कर रहे हैं, लाइक स्पेशली लास्ट 1.5 साल से जो भी चल रहा है लॉकडाउन के सिचुएशन में,
राइट।
अगर ये सारे लोग नहीं होते तो वो मोटिवेशन ही नहीं रहता कि हमें ये चालू रखना है, सो दैट इज एक्सट्रीमली वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। एंड ऑफ कोर्स एक इंटरनल मोटिवेशन भी है, कंसिस्टेंसी जो है वो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है, जिसके वजह से ये चालू रहा है। एवरी डे देयर इज, यू हैव टू be consistent in the same direction with the focus. I think that is extremely important. Hurdles बहुत सारे रहे, बहुत सारा प्लास्टिक वेस्ट जो हमें इनिशियली मिलता था वो एकदम गंदी कंडीशन में रहता था, क्योंकि लोगों को ये पता ही नहीं है, या पता है बट लोग करना नहीं चाहते। वेस्ट अलग अलग, अपना वेट वेस्ट ड्राई वेस्ट जब तक अलग नहीं करेंगे लोग, तब तक वो जो ड्राई वेस्ट है उसको रिसाइकिल करना इम्पॉसिबल है। और हम तो अपसाइकिल करते हैं, और हम हैंड से करते हैं, मैन्युअली करते हैं, हम कोई मशीन में नहीं डालते। तो गंदा वेस्ट कोई भी हाथ नहीं लगाना, चाहे कितना भी गरीब आदमी क्यों ना हो, वेस्ट पिकर क्यों ना हो। यू शुड नेवर मिक्स वेट वेस्ट एंड ड्राई वेस्ट। सो ये हमको लोगों तक पहुंचाना पड़ा, इसके लिए हमको लोगों को एजुकेट करना पड़ा। So that was the way we came out of it. So through social media, through our in-person trainings, we do a lot of these kind of activities. Secondly, जो हमारा वीविंग जो यूनिट था, वो मुझे एक रूरल विलेज में ही करना था। That was something that I was totally, this thing about, stubborn about, that I want to do it in a village, because that's where the real need of work is, and I don't want to do it in a using a machinery or setting up a factory. It should be very very low profile, and which can be done in a very very tiny village जहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की भी जरूरत ना पड़े। तो वैसा विलेज स्टार्टिंग में हमको 1-2 बार थोड़ा सा तकलीफ हुआ, 1-2 जगह पे वो फेल हुआ। सो मोर देन अ ईयर हमारा उसमें काफी सारा वेस्ट हुआ। बट लेटर ऑन जब से हम ये विलेज में काम जहाँ पे अभी कर रहे हैं, which has been like almost 5 years now, this साल 5 साल हो जाएंगे, तो वेरी गुड रिस्पॉन्स। सारे जो हमारे टीममेट्स है एंड सारे यंगस्टर्स है, द फर्स्ट पीपल हु जॉइंड अस वर स्कूल ड्रॉप आउट्स, जिनके 10th से फेल हो गए, 12th से 12th हो गया बट आगे पढ़ाई नहीं कर सकते, ऐसे लोग हमें ज्वाइन हुए। तो उनसे जो मोटिवेशन मिलता है ना, आई शुड रियली, एंड मोस्टली विमेन, लड़कियां, सारी लड़कियां थे, चटर पटर क्यूट सी लड़कियां। सो इट इज
How
वेरी
often you
नाइस।
visit them, ma'am?
I visit them. So almost every 15-20 days I visit, but just from the last year it has been a little irregular because of the traveling restrictions. But otherwise I love to be there. It's like just the most best place to be.
Ma'am, if I talk about criticism, did you have any criticism? Because
A lot.
motivation तो मिलता है. A lot. I mean, what kind of comments, what kind of feedback?
अरे सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम सबसे ज्यादा हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स एग्जीबिशंस के थ्रू बेचते थे पहले, बिकॉज तब अभी एवरीथिंग हैज चेंज्ड। बट पीपल लाइक ये वेस्ट से बना है तो फिर ये महंगा क्यों है, दिस वाज द फर्स्ट कमेंट वी यूज्ड टू गेट। देन आई वाज लाइक, हाउ शुड आई एक्सप्लेन दिस टू पीपल, कि ये मैन्युअली बना हुआ है, मतलब ये हमने कोई मशीन में बन गया, दूसरी जगह से कपड़ा निकला, ऐसा तो नहीं किया ना हमने। उसमें एक बैग, जैसे ये एक बैग बनाने के लिए ओनली दिस बैग 1.5 दिन लगता है फॉर 1 पर्सन। ओके, सो 1 पर्सन को अगर 1.5 दिन लगता है तो उसको को तो हम 100 रुपए में तो नहीं बेच सकते ना, उसके पीछे अगर इतनी मेहनत गई है, एंड इट इज अ क्राफ्ट। So that is the information we had to give, we had to explain people। बहुत सारे लोग कुछ भी बोल के चले जाते थे, it was very disturbing। Even today we get it, but it's much lesser, क्योंकि अभी लोगों को हमें पता चल गया है, we've been around for so long, and we have such lovely followers who support us, who talk about us, so it helps।
हाँ, ऐसा नहीं है ना मैम कि रैपर उठाया मैगी का, पिलो के नीचे रखा और नेक्स्ट आपका बैग रेडी। It's not that easy.
Exactly,
So
exactly.
obviously
It's not that easy, and
आपको
manually they are doing manually.
करेक्ट.
yes
सो एक
now
मशीन मेड प्रोसेस में, मशीन मेड प्रोसेस में जो टिपिकल बैग्स बनते हैं पॉलिएस्टर के, तो वो एक दिन में 100 बैग्स बन जाते होंगे. बट हमें एक
yes
बैग बनाने के लिए, इफ यू काउंट one person doing that entire work, right from collecting 40 wrappers, उसमें approximately 35 to 40 wrappers एक बैग में जाते हैं, तो वो कलेक्ट करके उसको मैन्युअली वॉश करके उसको सैनिटाइज करके ड्राई करके अलग अलग, क्योंकि कलर्स भी हमें सॉर्ट करने पड़ते हैं डिजाइन की वजह से.
true
चरखा, हैंडलूम, स्टिचिंग, everything just takes so much of time and it creates so much of
so much of
employment.
time
So that is what is
and
important.
everything which is handmade ये तो खुद ही आपको लगा लेना चाहिए कि it's going to be costly and it's going to be like
Exactly,
something
exactly.
special.
Yeah, but that is what one should, like, I changed my own attitude towards shopping. So earlier, even when I was, young, I used to go and shop fast fashion. कहीं पे भी जाके कुछ भी खरीद के आ जाती थी मैं. But when I started looking into this sector, I realized कि this is what is most important, that we need to support people who are actually giving it their best and working ethically, handmade है, sustainable है, इसके वजह से environmental impact नहीं हो रहा. मैं ऐसे ही चीजें खरीदना चाहूंगी. So like the top I'm
Obviously
wearing is a what is it, second life top, the t-shirt that
oh
I'm wearing. Yeah, so that's how you
wow
start changing your
wow
lifestyle. You don't want to go and buy new things, new polyester things. You want to buy natural dye, you want to buy upcycle, recycle. तो जब ये लोगों तक पता चलने लगता है, I think a lot of change will start happening, and that is happening right now. Slow fashion is picking up. People are understanding upcycled क्या है. So it will change is what we think, and
and people like you are helping others to make them understand
correct,
ट्रूली
correct.
बिकॉज
That's
आपके जितना भी लाइव रहता है जितना भी आपका वीडियो रहता है कि कैसे प्रोसेस हो रहा है पूरा एक बैग का कैसे हम बना रहे हैं इससे बड़ा पता लगता है कि अच्छा दैट्स हाउ इट इज वर्किंग right
correct.
it's not something like okay they are collecting the plastic waste and they are producing the bag when you can see exactly what's going on what is the procedure then
Correct.
it clicks yes
Right, right.
Yes,
true
yes, yes, true. So, ma'am, if we come to the designing part, I mean, अभी आपने इतना सब कुछ बताया इसके बारे में कि कैसे हो रहा है. एक तो बहुत ही क्यूरियोसिटी है मेरी ये जानने की, क्योंकि जो प्लास्टिक आपके पास आता होगा उसमें बहुत कुछ लिखा रहता है, बहुत कुछ चीजें होती हैं उसमें, लेकिन जो प्रोडक्ट होता है उसमें तो कुछ भी नहीं रहता. इट कम्स लाइक ब्यूटीफुल मैजिकली. सो ये कैसे आप करते हो ये
please explain the magic
See, now this is a laptop sleeve, okay? Now you look
oh
at it
वाह.
closely, you'll actually see this is a Surf Excel का पैकेट. एंड अगर आप इसको
oh
क्लोजली देखोगे आपको इसमें लेटर्स भी दिखेंगे, मेड इन
वाह.
पौंडीचेरी, ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर
ओके.
रिटन ऑन इट. सो द टेक्स्ट रिमेन्स बिकॉज वी डोंट, हम उसका धागा नहीं बना रहे, हम उसको वीव कर रहे हैं, जस्ट द स्ट्रिप्स वी आर वीविंग टुगेदर. सो द लेटरिंग विल बी देयर एंड इट विल, इट रियली इज फन.
it's fun
हाँ,
it's fun
but
तो
these
लेटरिंग
letters
का
are just
डिजाइन में
like
कन्वर्जन हो
invisible.
जाता है. हाँ,
हाँ,
वो
इतना
डिजाइन
ज्यादा
बन जाता
कन्वर्ट
है.
हो गए हैं कि they are next to invisible. Wow. Wow. क्योंकि when I was looking at the products ना, we were discussing like यार where did the letter go? जो इतना सब लिखा होता है. The
See,
products are
this
so
is made of
beautiful.
Maggi packets, right? This is made of Maggi packets. तो जो येलो है वो
How can you
येलो रह
believe it?
जाता है. रेड जो
no I
मैगी लिखा
can't
होता है रेड में, वो रेड डिजाइन बन गया.
Yeah.
true
Wow. So मैम ये
big
आपको कैसे
mystery
पता
solved
चल? या बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. मैम आपको ये कैसे पता चलता है कि जैसे यू आर एक्सपेंडिंग द प्रोडक्ट्स, यू आर इनटू आई थिंक एवरी प्रोडक्ट, लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स वैराइटीज ऑफ बैग्स, and there are tissue paper holder, there is cutlery set also, there are yoga bag also,
Yeah.
cushion covers also. So ये नीड आपको कस्टमर्स डिमांड करते हैं या आप खुद ये प्रोडक्ट कस्टमर्स डिमांड करते हैं? ये नीड
मोस्ट ऑफ द
कैसे पता
टाइम्स
चलती है आपको?
कस्टमर से ही आइडियाज मिलते हैं एंड देन वी मेक इट, बट वी आल्सो कीप हैविंग डिजाइन इंटर्न्स एवरी ईयर. तो उनके भी काफी सारे आइडियाज आ जाते हैं कि ये बना के देखते हैं. हमारे खुद के ही टीम मेंबर्स भी कुछ ना कुछ नया आइडिया कहाँ से तो लेके आते हैं कि अरे चलो ये बनाते हैं, टिश्यू होल्डर बना लेते हैं.
coin purse Cute.
Coin
Coin
purse, yeah.
purse.
So we just it's all the team who comes up with all these ideas. We just very recently we've hired a full-time designer. नहीं तो अब तक तो हमारे पास full-time designer भी नहीं थे. And the one who's a designer also used to be an intern with us, and now she's joined us full-time. So that's how our team kept
Wow.
building, and all of these volunteers, teammates, they are the ones who come up with the designs. And even the tribal women, they come up with all these patterns. मतलब किसको पता था कि ये एक ही blue strip यहाँ पे
True.
डालो, फिर यहाँ yellow डालो. मतलब ये ऐसा
True, true.
दिमाग में हमारे कभी नहीं आता.
They
But
are
when the
so
tag comes out,
talented.
it looks nice.
So creative.
Looks nice.
So creative.
So creative.
Ah,
So
I,
creative.
I mean,
Seriously.
whosoever is watching us right now, just think about it. How much effort these people have taken for us, and they are not just making any product; they are designing it. How much effort they are putting. So please don't think about the cost. Now it takes a lot to do this. It takes a
Yeah.
lot.
And
Seriously.
it's a, like, if you look at the brand, so I always say that I am competing with, why not Louis Vuitton, why not Zara? As in, you're going to go and buy those
True,
anyways
true.
in the
I
market.
mean,
तो हम उनसे तो हमारे products कम ही कीमत में है, but
far,
their more
far better.
effort उसमें गया हुआ है
More
than हम.
effort. More effort.
So
Seriously.
somebody will
मैम
ask
Psychology,
ये
me,
waterproof भी
psychology.
रहते होंगे ना?
sorry.
Waterproof रहते होंगे ना? Because they are made up of plastic.
Yeah, but they are woven, so not all the products are waterproof. Some of them are waterproof, some of them are water resistant. Somebody's asking if you make
Okay.
pencil pouches. We do
Yeah,
make
yeah,
pencil
yeah.
pouches. Yeah, we do make
Yes,
pencil
there is a
pouches.
comment also. Sneha is there. I have made Recharkha as my daughter's school project for grade 1 and presented. I was really appreciative.
Awesome.
Wow.
Wow, that's so awesome. That's
That's
so
what
awesome.
my dream is, that everybody gets motivated, but everybody should change their lifestyle. That is the most important thing that
True.
we want to, make
True. We are
people.
so dependent on plastic. Yeah, I know we should
So,
change. I mean, there are so much states which have banned plastic. I don't know why the other states are waiting. I just
Yeah,
don't know
even if
this.
it's banned, people again start using it, again start demanding it. So, we need to change. The government is doing their
Huh.
bit. Of course, there is
Exact.
lots of loopholes from their end also, but we should also do, our
We
bit
yes,
should also
it's
take this
towards.
it's
responsibility.
always self initiate. Ma'am,
But
tell us
we
about
don't
your
know how
funds.
best to handle.
Your funds initially. How did you generate your funds initially?
So initially it was self-funded. We didn't
Self-funded.
get any funds, and then we just started. We made it a market-driven movement. So हमें कोई funding नहीं मिली थी कभी भी.
नहीं मिली.
Never. So bits and pieces, of course, a lot of our friends helped. Some people, like very recently during the pandemic, one of our friends gave us a loan so that we could come out of the pandemic properly. There were a couple of small bits and pieces of grants that we got, but they were very little. Mostly it is market
Very
driven.
little.
मैं बोलती हूँ कि हमारे customers ने ही ये हमारा movement support किया है, क्योंकि that's where we get
Wow.
all our funds from. So it is people who are buying from us, they are the ones who
True.
are supporting us. There is nobody else who's giving us government का grant या कोई बड़ा foundation है जो हमें पैसा दे रहा है, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. It is people who are buying, even if a little pencil pouch or coin pouch, even if you buy, it is going towards our recycling fund. So it is definitely not going into my pocket. Because
Yes.
I myself live a very simple
Yes.
lifestyle. So that is what I can guarantee everybody, that it is going to the cause. Whatever you buy is going to the cause of building this movement. That is what is
Yes.
important.
And initially आपने stall लगाए. That's how you started. Now you have a store, proper store in Pune, and you are
This
selling it
actually,
on.
so
You are
Pune is
selling
not
it online also.
we do, yes.
So the entire experience. I mean, did you enjoy the stall?
Yeah, I love stalls because you can meet so many people, and we could travel all around the world actually, and we do that even now. So जब pandemic खत्म हो जाएगा तो we'll still be doing that.
Wow.
We would love to do that. The store, I would say we can't afford to have a store yet because
Okay.
stores are of course expensive. Retail stores are expensive. So we have a little manufacturing unit ही बोल सकते हैं. उसी में हमने एक room को store में convert किया हुआ है. That's all. and in a low profile area in Pune, and not on one of the main streets or main roads. And yes, our online
Yes.
presence is
Right.
growing now, so we want people from all around the world to connect with us, and this is the best medium to do that.
There is a comment
That's
also,
nice.
Sneha. I would love to join your team. Is there any space,
Sure.
ma'am?
Yeah,
We
ma'am, are you
see, like,
hiring?
for, for full time we are not hiring right now, but we are always welcome. Volunteers are always welcome because we do a lot of volunteering activities. Collection of plastic waste कर सकते हो आप, हमारे लिए design में help कर सकते हो. We are also doing some activities in Pune currently. You are in Pune, right, Tanoda?
Yes, me.
Yeah.
No, no, no.
So
I'm
we
Ma'am,
are doing
Suruchi,
some
Suruchi.
garden. Okay, so Ruchi is it. So in we are doing something in garden waste management. तो उसमें हम volunteering कर रहे हैं. तो we would love people to come and volunteer with us.
you can
That's how
join the
people
movement
have.
anytime.
Oh, yeah, because like for example,
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
Ashwini, who's working with us right now, she joined us as a volunteer. And now she has moved to Netherlands and she's going to help us set up our Europe market. So she's now a full-time employee.
Wow.
So that's how people
Wow.
start working with us, and that's how we want people to work and grow with us. We can't afford salaries like corporates do. So we can't hire so many full-time people.
There is
But
a
but
one
there
more
there are
comment
good
also,
people
ma'am.
also.
Sure,
Yes.
Preeti.
Hello. Hello. It's Sandy Girl. Like Adidas have made shoes or of plastic and was sold in thousands. So why not these handmade bags? True.
Exactly.
बिल्कुल,
Exactly.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल,
That is how it is
बिल्कुल.
now.
Yes.
And ये चीज हमको समझनी है. एवरी फॉलोवर watching right now, every follower of ma'am, ठीक है, they should understand this thing. Every society, every people should understand this. कि if you are buying Adidas shoes made of plastic, I mean, in thousands, so this cause should be supported in any manner.
Totally, totally. And we are
True.
very genuine. So we are doing this genuinely. We are not, saying something and doing something. We're doing it very genuinely. And we
Exactly.
put up stories all about always on our platform. So,
True.
you can
True.
never
And
say
it's a
Everything
good
otherwise.
is
cause.
online. You
It's a
can
good
see.
cause.
Yes.
Yeah.
Of course.
So, ma'am, tell me about your experience of मतलब approaching the tribal areas, tribal women, because मतलब कुछ हाँ ऐसे होता है ना कि वो लोग थोड़े stubborn होते हैं, अपना काम काज छोड़ के दूसरी चीज को accept नहीं करते हैं सबसे पहले. How did you convince them?
So true. कभी कभी मुझे पहले स्टार्टिंग में ऐसे लगता था कि अरे मेरी जरूरत है तुमको काम देने की. तो ऐसे हुआ है. Not everybody, some of them act like that, but most of the team
Hmm.
members are just wonderful people, and they were so excited. So like I said originally, एक दो जगह पे हमने जहाँ पहले स्टार्ट किया था वहां पे it didn't टर्न आउट गुड बिकॉज
Workout.
लोगों का ही ये अच्छा नहीं था, रिस्पॉन्स नहीं था कि हम कचरों को हाथ नहीं लगाएंगे, हम कचरे के साथ काम नहीं करेंगे, हम
Yes.
ऊंची जाति के लोग हैं, वी डोंट वांट टू वर्क विथ वेस्ट, ऐसे भी हमें रिस्पॉन्स मिला था. बट ये
Yeah,
जो
yeah,
हमारा
yeah.
विलेज है, एक्चुअली ये मेरा जो होम टाउन है सिलवासा, दादरा नगर हवेली, उसके पास
Okay.
ही हमारा ये विलेज है. तो यहाँ के जो लोग हमारे साथ स्टार्टिंग से जुड़े थे, किरण है, वंदना है, वो उनको हम बचपन से जानते थे. And they started working with us, and they were also so excited कि they were, one of them was 10th fail, तो उसको कुछ काम चाहिए था, तो उसको ये काम मिल गया, तो वो आ गया. वो he had moved to a city, but he moved back to
Mm-hmm.
the village so that he could work with us. So reverse migration, and he's still working
Wow.
Yes.
with us. Kiran is one of our oldest
You made it.
employees.
Amazing. Amazing. Yeah,
Jitesh
because
है जो, he's deaf and mute. Jitesh, who works with us, is deaf and mute. He can't, like, he's hearing impaired and he can't speak. He's been working with us for 4 years. So these are the people who started working with us, and they got automatically convinced. We didn't have to do a lot to convince them. And they are working as, and they're still not totally transformed into being very eco-friendly people. But they are, they know that they're doing a good job and they're helping the planet. So they're doing it in their own way.
And their own.
wow, that is Yeah, that is beautiful क्योंकि ज्यादातर villages में यही होता है. I mean, if a girl or boy convince herself to do this because they are educated and they understand कि we are doing it for a good cause, somewhere people, start criticizing them that what are you doing and you are just touching the kachra and making, what are you making and this and that. So I thought maybe that came out of big difficulty for you.
डेफिनेटली वो पॉइंट तो था ही, बट जब हमने लोगों को बताना शुरू किया ना कि कस्टमर्स एंड सपोर्टर्स को जो हमें प्लास्टिक वेस्ट देते हैं कि पीपल आर गोइंग टू टच इट विद देयर हैंड्स, डेफिनेटली ग्लव्स तो पहनेंगे ही वो, बट तो भी उनको
बिल्कुल.
इतना गंदा कचरा तुम मत दो, यू क्लीन इट, इट्स योर वेस्ट, सो यू हैव टू
हम्म.
क्लीन इट एंड देन यू कैन सेंड इट एंड वील अपसाइकल इट। तो जब से हमने ये सारा
Yeah.
स्टार्ट किया है तो लोग बहुत अच्छे से सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं इस कॉज को।
वाह वाह, दिस इज
और
डिफरेंट कि लोगों को पहले से ही अवेयर करा दो कि हाँ इसको साफ करके दो. दिस इज नाइस. एंड मैम, व्हाट चेंजेस यू हैव सीन, लाइक इनिशियली जब आपने ट्राइबल लोगों के साथ काम किया तो, और अब जो उनकी सिचुएशन है, क्या चेंजेस उनकी लाइफ में आए, वो भी आपको काफी हद तक मोटिवेट करते होंगे. तो टेल मी अबाउट द चेंजेस हैपन.
Totally. Like I said, Kiran, he had moved to a city. He came back, and today he's our supervisor. Some of the girls who even एक दो लड़कियां शादी करके चली भी गई, but उसमें से एक लड़की
हाँ
still हमारे साथ काम करती है. She comes from her home, the other town, to come and work with us.
हाँ
Then,
हाँ हाँ राइट
उनके some of them,
या ये भी होता
उनकी
है.
मम्मा ज्वाइन हो गई हमारे साथ क्योंकि दे वांटेड टू वर्क। तो
गुड.
काफी
वाह.
लोगों में, हाँ, तो काफी लोगों में चेंजेस आए हैं। जो वॉशिंग वाली लेडीज आती है, दे आर तो टोटली इलिटरेट, they've never gone to a school also. They always show कि whatever you paid me, मैंने ये सोने का खरीदा, so that is their
वाह
investment, right? They will
यस
not go
यस
to a
या.
bank and put money. They want to invest in things which their generations will use. Maybe she will give it to a granddaughter. So that is the impact that we see, and it's just so beautiful.
वाह
It's
Wow.
just
so
So
beautiful
great feeling,
so
ma'am. You
beautiful
must have felt like, wow, what a wonder it is. I mean,
at
magical.
least you
feels
can
so
feel
much
at least
better.
you can feel yes at least you can feel that I have done my bit for this environment,
No,
for
I
generation,
haven't
for
done my bit.
society.
No, I
Ma'am, we
haven't
are
done
not
my bit.
even doing this. People are just not even doing, just segregate their kachras even. Let me tell you.
Yeah,
They
So
are
that
true.
is
not
what,
even
And
doing
though,
this.
yeah, that is what will give
though,
us the, give me the satisfaction. When people start changing, people start transforming. And it is happening. Like a lot of people I know have started taking these decisions, taking these steps. So it feels nice.
yeah, and though we've been taught that please put dry waste in alag dustbin and wet waste in alag dustbin. So please at least do this
Correct.
At
so
least
that
do
the
this.
products can be upcycled beautifully. Yeah.
Yeah. Ma'am, what are your future plans? I mean, अभी क्या और करना है और क्या करना बाकी है? You are already have done so much.
No, we haven't done so much. We have to reach to all these people who still don't know कि वेस्ट कैसा क्रिएट नहीं करना चाहिए। तो जब तक मैं
Hmm.
बहुत बार बोलती हूँ कि मेरा ड्रीम है कि हमारा वेस्ट, हमको वेस्ट प्लास्टिक ही ना मिले, यही मेरा ड्रीम है। दैट
हाँ.
खत्म हो जाए, सारा वेस्ट ही खत्म हो जाए, देन वी विल एंड अप
हाँ.
डूइंग समथिंग एल्स। हमारे चरखा और जो लूम है, उससे हम कॉटन वीव कर सकते हैं, सिल्क वीव कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी कर
Yes,
सकते हैं।
yes, yes.
So we
But
don't want to,
not plastic.
that's
Yes,
our dream, yeah. So that is
that's
definitely
the dream.
our work. We are also now, we have an NGO, तो NGO के थ्रू हम काफी अवेयरनेस जनरेशन सेशंस है, वेस्ट कलेक्शन में भी हम काम कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट चालू है, कुछ अलग अलग टाइप के प्रोडक्ट्स बनाना स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं, एंड वी आर ऑल्सो स्टार्टिंग अ न्यू यूनिट इन अनदर विलेज नियर पुणे। तो वो सारा काम अभी
Okay.
हमारा चालू है।
Oh, okay. मैम, ये आपको जब सेलिब्रिटीज आपका प्रोडक्ट यूज करते हैं, क्या फीलिंग आती है? मतलब डज इट मोटिवेट यू व्हेन
Of
यू?
course, it definitely, and it is, they are, we thank them a lot because then they are the ones who are going to talk and more people are going to listen to them. जितना मेरी
Yes.
बात नहीं मानेंगे, उतना, some celebrity, if she carries a bag or he carries a product, they are going to, definitely support it more. So that is what we want to do. We want to get it to as many people as possible. So yeah, if anybody is watching, please, tell us that you want to buy, or make sure people use our products or do their bit to change their lifestyle by not using more waste, not creating more waste.
True.
True, true, true. And especially when it is for a such good cause, for us also, it is indirectly, I mean, we are benefiting ourselves
Yeah.
if we
Yes.
look deep into it. So why not? So let's have some fun. And we have some quick questions for you, ma'am. You just have to answer in one word or one sentence.
Sure.
Okay. So,
Don't crap
so
me, okay?
no, no, no. I hope you like the questions.
Sure.
So, Suruchi, I'm getting started with some questions, okay? So,
Yes, start.
ma'am, my first question is adventure or a calm day? What's your choice?
Adventure.
Adventure.
Adventure,
I like
definitely.
it. I like it. I like it. And I have I have scrolled down through your post, and I have seen that tea is your weakness. Is it true?
Yes. Chai.
And your blood group T positive.
Black wali chai.
Yeah. Blood group is T positive. The post, I was like, ये सही है बिल्कुल.
True. So true.
Tea lover.
Yes.
Suruchi is also a tea lover. Hardcore tea
Okay.
lover.
Yay. So you come,
First
Suruchi,
thing is
to our
tea.
office. Manisha makes
Yeah.
lovely chai. So we love
Ma'am, I'm eagerly waiting actually. You don't know कैसे मैंने
Wait
अपने
for
आप को
me
रोका हुआ है,
also.
मैम. Yes. You will be on VC, okay? वीडियो कॉल करेंगे आपको.
Oh, how rude is that? How rude is that? Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next.
My next question is, would you like to travel alone or traveling with a gang?
I love traveling alone, actually.
Me too.
Yeah.
Surprisingly. Explore the word alone because we are the only
Exactly.
souls.
So peaceful, so peaceful. And you can take your own decision, and whenever you want to go, wherever you want to go, you are on your own. No trouble. Okay. So
Yes.
my next question is, are you feminist or neutral?
Neutral. I'm not a very feminist person. Sometimes it does
Okay,
Okay.
that's
come up.
nice.
Sometimes it does come up though.
Yeah.
Most of the times I'm
Yeah. And ma'am, your favorite holiday destination? What is your most like go-to place?
Himalayas. Anywhere in
Wow.
India.
Himalayas.
Yeah, anywhere
Wow.
in India.
Wow.
Such cozy and calm place.
Yes.
And ma'am, the next question is, मैंने तो अपना आंसर बता दिया इस क्वेश्चन का. What is your favorite product? जो जितना भी आपने बनाया उनमें से आपका one of the favorite product.
Mm,
This is going to be difficult for sure.
हाँ, ये
I love.
एक माँ से अपने कौन सा फेवरेट बच्चा है पूछने के जैसा क्वेश्चन है. So difficult.
Oh my God. No, but cutlery kit is my favorite product too, because through that we are making people aware of what they should use instead of what they would have otherwise used. जैसे कटलरी किट पाउच तो
Yes.
हमारा है ही, बट
Yes.
उसके अंदर जो भी चीजें जाती है जो दूसरे आर्टिसन से हम प्रोक्योर करते हैं, जैसे स्ट्रॉ है, चम्मच है,
Yes,
स्पून
ma'am.
है, फोर्क है, नैपकिन है. So all those things you are going to make another impact on the planet, on the environment, but not using that
It contains
stuff.
message. Yes.
So it
बिल्कुल
is my
सही
Contains
favorite product. So yay, another.
Wow.
message.
I am learning this. Like we have so much common, things in between us,
Yeah,
Ah.
all of three.
totally.
So much in common. Choices are so. So, ma'am, your favorite food, like your favorite cuisine, South Indian or Marathi?
I like Marathi food. I also like Italian.
Oh.
Pizzas,
Yeah, yeah.
pastas.
Yes.
Nice, very nice.
Chalo, Tanu. Now
Ruchi,
it's my turn,
you take
okay?
other question. Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, this is my turn
absolutely.
now.
All yours.
Are you ready? Are you ready for million bucks of questions, ma'am?
Yes.
People, people, people would love to know about this. Nation wants to know that. Which one is your favorite place, Pune or Mumbai?
Oh, none. I
None.
don't like
Oh
to be in
my God.
cities. I don't like to
Yeah.
be in cities.
Oh my God.
Frankly, I want to rather live
We,
in a village in between Mumbai and Pune. Let me be more honest about that.
We
But
are
this is a
highway
honest
people.
answer.
We are highway people. And let me tell you one thing, Tanu. Highway is far beautiful than city. Far beautiful, especially in rains. It's so beautiful.
my next holiday destination. आ रही हूँ मैं
Ah,
पुणे, okay?
you are keep on talking like this since years. Okay. Now, do you have any nickname, ma'am? And if yes, please reveal today.
I think it's Amu. Most of my friends and home people call me Amu.
Nice
How cute.
name.
How cute.
Yes. How cute. Okay. Online shopping or offline shopping?
Online now. Online.
Online.
Easy.
Okay. Which one is your favorite movie?
Oh my God. Favorite movie. When did I watch the last movie? Oh, my favorite movie. No idea.
So
Pata nahi.
difficult, so difficult.
Yeah, it is a very difficult question. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
favorite
tell us
actor.
about the recent one, whatever you have watched.
वही मत पूछो रिसेंट फिल्म्स ही मैं देख नहीं पाई हूँ कुछ महीनों से
Okay, favorite actor.
Okay.
Favorite actor.
Yeah.
favorite actor na in Bollywood I still love Amir Khan. I don't know why. It's like it's my
Old romantic
teenage
love.
childhood love which still
Pehla
continues.
Nasha. Yes, yes. Okay. There's a comment, Mundan. She is such a bubbly and charming girl.
Thanks.
You're so bubbly and charming.
True, she is. Yeah,
Yes.
true, she is.
Oh,
Indeed.
okay, next question is coming. 3 must-haves that you carry in your bag.
3 must-haves. Yeah, a cloth bag so that I don't use plastic.
Okay.
My cutlery kit, and the third thing is my water bottle.
Okay, there is no mobile, Tanu,
Yeah.
as you have the answer.
Mobile
Yeah.
is there. Like mobile is a part of the
Mobile is by
body
default.
now.
Yeah, default. By default,
It's
mobile
a
हो गई.
body, not a bag, I would say.
Oh my God,
Not a
there is a
body,
comment
yeah.
also. There's a comment, hello, it's Handy Girl. I would love to do marketing for her. So, see, you can just
So
hire people.
welcome.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay.
You're so welcome
So,
for that.
next question. One thing you can't spend your day without.
I meditate, so that's the first thing I do in the morning. I do my yoga and meditation.
Wow.
It's the first thing.
Nice.
That's what I want.
Not all people have the Candy Crush love. Tanu?
I
People do
meditate
love-
too, you know that.
But that's not the one thing that you cannot spend a day without.
Who is that? So Tanu.
Oh my God. You can't reveal so much about me. You're not allowed.
Okay. Next is ice creams or sweets. Which one you will choose?
Ice cream.
Ice
Ice
cream. The final shot. Okay. Ma'am, please tell us about
Yay.
composting also. Because
Yeah.
you
Yeah,
have
we have
done a live.
checked your once we have checked your live कि उसमें कंपोस्टिंग आपने बताया तो ये कब आपने सीखा और ये आइडिया कब आपको आया कि कंपोस्टिंग भी जरूरी है वो भी करनी चाहिए.
I think about 7-8 years ago, क्योंकि मुझे like ये बहुत गिल्टी लगता था कि ये वेस्ट जो हम डाल रहे हैं वो कैसे डाले. तो जब भी I used to see everybody else used to use those dustbin bag which was made of plastic, and the waste picker never used to take the waste without plastic, and I wanted a plastic-free life myself, so I started composting because I didn't want to use a plastic bin liner. So, and then I realized that it's very easy to compost. You can make your own compost. You can actually use it to plant your plants in. तो उसी में मैं mostly मेरे सारे plants compost में ही directly grow होते हैं. And composting is actually most important for everybody to do, and it's the easiest thing. There are just a few things that you need to learn on how to diagnose. मतलब it's like your body. खांसी हो गई तो you know you have to drink hot water and your खांसी will subside. So it's similar to that. So वो compost को हमें समझना है कि compost को क्या हो रहा है, क्या कम पड़ रहा है, क्या ज्यादा पड़ रहा है. So it's a very easy equation. We just need to balance it. Most of the people are scared to do that, but I think it is important because the first and foremost thing is your बाहर कचरा जो हमारा generation है 70 to 80% is wet waste. If you are taking care of that in your own house, तो बाहर कचरा ही कम जाता है. जैसे मेरे घर से in a week or 2 weeks डस्टबिन बाहर जाएगा, जिसमें कागज या बॉक्सेस और ऐसी सारी चीजें सेपरेट की हुई रहेगी. तो वेस्ट पिकर लव्स मी. शी डजंट इवन टेक मनी फ्रॉम मी टू कलेक्ट वेस्ट बिकॉज आई गिव हर द वेस्ट इन द वे दैट शी कैन एक्चुअली गो एंड डायरेक्टली रिसाइकल एंड सेल, That is what we need to.
Yeah.
So my milk packets are kept separately. My cardboard is kept separately. All the dabbas are kept separately. And waste plastic जो non-recyclable है वो तो हम ही upcycle करते हैं. So that goes separately.
True.
But this can happen only when your wet waste is taken care of. So always remember, composting is the best and easiest thing to do. You can watch my live. I know it was a very funny live because there were a doorbell ringing and there was a phone call in between, but it was a fun live. So go watch it and start composting. If you have questions, come back to us. We'll answer them.
Yeah. We enjoyed that live session, ma'am. Suruchi was traveling somewhere and she just called, ma'am ka live ho raha hai, देखना करती है. And she was watching from there. I was watching from my home, and wow, we were like, wow, yeah, this is a very good thing. I mean, 80% किचन का वेस्ट कम हो जाएगा अगर हम लोग ये करने लग जाएंगे तो कंपोस्टिंग करेंगे.
Very true.
There is a comment from Mud and Colors. Yeah. Hey, I love kitchen waste composting and rigorously follow it from past 6 months, and the waste going out from my house reduced by 80%. Wow.
Yes, exactly.
See, that's the magic of composting. Awesome.
Yes, true,
Awesome.
true.
So,
And how it is difficult for a woman, just take out some step and do something out of the box. Is it difficult? I mean,
I think in today's world, it's not that difficult. So I really urge a lot of women who think that it is difficult to go out and do something of their own. It's not difficult because now everything has changed. I think it was like 10, 15 years ago, it would have been more difficult, but now it's not so difficult. So I personally never had that challenge that I'm a woman, and that's why क्योंकि घर से भी अच्छा support मिला. Of course there were certain steps that we had to take in terms of convincing them that I'm going to be out perpetually, and that's what happened. So a lot of my family members had to accept that, and they did, which is the best thing to do. And I think it's better now, it's easier now.
Yes, ma'am. And after marriage, it is important, when you get all the support from in-laws. That also matters, actually.
yeah,
Totally.
so
Yeah.
motivating.
Yeah. So just quickly, we'll take the followers' question.
Sure.
Suruchi,
You can just send.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, but I think after 1 hour, the Insta is going to,
Yeah.
live session. So,
I didn't get any kind of message till now. So we are hoping for the best that Insta will allow us after 1 or 2, because it's getting the message okay.
Yeah, if at all we get disconnected, ma'am, can you please rejoin
Please
again?
rejoin.
So because
Sure.
followers' questions are still left.
Yes,
Yes,
sure,
still
sure.
left. You can
So-
all
so
just
follow-
send your questions in the comment section, okay? Don't DM us right now,
Yeah,
because we can't access
please.
it right now.
Exactly. Last time I have seen so many questions in my message box, and I was requesting like, please, यहाँ पे आप अपने questions दीजिए. After the live session, I got it from my PM.
Only 25 seconds remaining. We have to join again. Okay.
Okay.
Insta has given
So
us.
let's
I
see.
don't know this setting. I don't know
Yeah.
why
So
it is
The
showing like
questions
uh,
this.
will go. The
this
questions will
is so
go.
amazing. 80% is really appreciable. The
Huh.
hello, it's Handy girl is saying.
She is doing amazing work. Lalit is saying.